Hey guys, it's David, Win August University here, and I just want to upload a quick video for you guys. Today we're going to talk a little bit about cryptocurrency, what's been going on in the markets, and I don't usually do these cryptocurrency videos, but you know what? I've been going heavy back into education on crypto, helping people, get started on cryptocurrency, especially in Canada, but I'm a global guy. I help people with affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and anyone in the making money online niche. So for me, the reason why I'm recording some content on cryptocurrency is the fact that with all this stuff going on with the governments and governments basically printing out money and corporations basically can be disappearing overnight. We only can have so much trust in the governments, in certain corporations. We need to kind of understand that that we can have our own opportunities as well, understanding the future. And the future is things that are gonna have a lot of value in the future, right? There's talks about government going to digital currency. China released recently a digital version of their currency on a bank, and then they kind of quickly took it down because they weren't ready. That being said, the future is digital, and there's a lot of new companies that are coming up with these different coins. So, the original is Bitcoin, right? So something decentralized, something that is something, a store of value similar to gold that eventually gets less and less created every single year. So there will be a limit, and eventually its value most likely will continue to grow, right? People talk about, eventually hitting hundreds of thousands or 100,000 or a million, whatever you want to consider. Just know that, a lot of people are still sleeping on these opportunities. So that being said, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an accountant, anything like that. Just realize that there's huge opportunities, and it does not hurt to understand and better understand more about digital currencies. Okay, so I'm not saying to spend all your money that you've saved up all your life for savings or anything like that on digital currencies, but it's smart to understand what it is. So if you want to invest into it, you are ready and are informed enough to make a decision. All right. So I'm gonna look at this. One of my websites that I like to look on for research is CoinGecko, and it breaks down basically all the cryptos that are out in the market, right? So obviously today we're looking at a bloody market. Things are down. It's bloody in these streets. Okay, look at the 24-hour mark here. Okay, Bitcoin is at it's not looking good. Okay, guys, it's at $10,276 US. For the last 24 hours, we're down 10.4%. Okay, over the week we're down 9%. So that's a big dive. From where it was earlier in the week, or even just a little over 24 hours ago. But keep in mind, guys, that when everyone's all bullish and basically horny to buy because they see the rise up on the chart, they see the green lights, they get all excited. So people get excited and they're like buy in. And what happens when your brain shows you these numbers, right? Everything's in the green. In the green, you want to be part of that. You naturally want to be part of that, right? So you want to ride that wave. So just keep in mind one of the basic strategies here, and same with any stocks or anything like that when you invest, is you want to buy when things are falling a little bit. You want to buy on the dips. And the reason why is because if you truly believe in a concept of a coin or a business, long term, you're thinking long term, you want to invest into them, you want to buy when it's at a discount, right? So right now, Bitcoin is at a discount right now. So 10% off right now. So this is your opportunity if you guys are looking at getting into the crypto space. Not to say you have to spend all your life savings, spend $100, spend a couple $100, spend 1,000, if you have that and willing to lose that, right? and believe in that. So definitely, I'm not going to explain what cryptocurrency is, but you can you can go on Google and find out for yourself. Okay, I'm long Bitcoin for sure, but right now there's a lot of hype around Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum is a whole, it's a coin that actually has, a purpose behind it. People can build different smart contracts on the platform. So some of these other coins are built right on the Ethereum, blockchain, and able to kind of have their own business and have their own services within the Ethereum network, right? So that's why Ethereum is a very powerful thing. Okay. If you look at this right now, I am long definitely Ethereum. There was a huge, let's actually go to the chart on Ethereum here. Right. So there was a lot of action happening, guys. If you look at Ethereum in the last, week, okay? A lot of hype, a lot of growth, and it was growing. A lot in the news about Ethereum blowing up. There's something called, Ethereum 2.0, which they're updating the whole structure of what Ethereum can do. They're going to include something called staking, and just a lot more technology. You guys can read about it. But look at this over the last week or so, and then boom, we just started falling. Okay, we got up to 471, and then all of a sudden things start dropping, and then we took a heavy dip. So people are all of a sudden getting nervous. Bitcoin started falling. Then Ethereum started falling, and literally, this is the last 2 weeks. Literally, everything went down except for basically Tron. Okay, so some people, when they see the hype and they start seeing on news that Bitcoin's being talked about, Ethereum's being talked about, they buy here, right? And I've even done this in the past. Okay. They buy here, and then boom, things start marking down. So right now, as things are dipping here and starting to slow down on the dip, that's really when you're getting things at the best possible price. Okay, let's look at the last 24 hours. Went from 460, boom, down, all the way down to at the lowest point 372. Now it's starting to move back up again. But in my opinion, we're gonna see this much higher again in time, and kind of go back towards that $500 mark, and then eventually in time keep going. Eventually it is going to go up though, right? Ethereum is being used by so many different platforms and so many different altcoins that are built on the Ethereum blockchain that it's going to keep growing no matter what, in my opinion. That's my opinion. So if you're going to take action on something right now on Bitcoin or Ethereum, and you want to kind of hold it and invest in it and kind of put it aside there, it's time to buy now on the dips. Okay, you don't have to buy. Let's say you're going to spend $500. I wouldn't put all 500 right now. I would do I'm going to do, as it's dropping, $200. Maybe as it's dropping again, another 100 or 200, and then kind of buy a different, average it out a little bit. It's called dollar cost averaging, okay? So that you can kind of control the risk a little bit. But you want to buy on the dips, because when it's bloody on the streets and everyone's scared, that's essentially when you buy. Let's look at Bitcoin as well. So everyone's scared as hell. Everyone's nervous. All of a sudden, the stock market basically just dipped heavily. Today was a bad day for the stock market, so crypto went down with it. Now, if you look at it, right, let's look at the last 180 days, okay? Let's go to Max, actually. So Max, we had from 2015 started growing. 2017 was when we started going crazy bullish, and it was just huge. It was a huge year for Bitcoin, right? And man, it was as high as 19K. That's insane, right? And then later that year, things started trickling down, and then we kind of went stagnant for a little while. and then we started to have another run in 2019 a little bit, went up to 12,000, and then we got low again, pretty low again, and then in 2020 we started growing back up, right? So we start climbing, and then we hit that 12,000 point, right? And now we're falling back down again, and right. So let's look at the last 30 days, okay? So we started falling back down. We're at 12,400, 12,300, and then we started dipping. All of a sudden, the stock market crashed again. Not crashed, but went down. A couple of things, articles came out. The question is, do you believe in Bitcoin or not? Do you believe in the store of value or not? If you do, my goal is just to accumulate enough so I have one Bitcoin. I'm not quite there yet, but that's what I'm looking to do. Accumulate one Bitcoin, and then when it goes to 100K, 1 million, whatever, I at least have that one. And when I get my first one, then I'm going to try to collect more than that, obviously. So you look at, let's say just the last 24 hours, right? It was bloody on the streets. So it went down, dips, and now you're getting Bitcoin at a discounted price, right? So you want to look at this chart and buy while it's dipping low, because if you really truly believe that it's going to work out in the end, and several years from now it's going to be worth a lot, then you should be buying on the dips, all right? So, one of the platforms I've been talking about lately, and I actually really enjoy using, is called, if you guys are in Canada, Bitbuy, okay? And what I like about this, okay, I'm going to move myself a little bit here. And you can go to Express Trade, or you can go to Pro Trade, okay? So I shouldn't be showing what on my account, in this account specifically, but whatever, I don't really care. So I've been stacking up a little bit of ETH, okay, because I see the value in that. So I'm storing away some ETH, right? So actually with these prices right now, I'm gonna wait to see if it dips a little bit more, and I'm gonna accumulate more ETH there. I'm also gonna accumulate more Bitcoin, because when it's bloody on the streets, it's time to buy. So if you guys are gonna try to take action on storing away some cryptocurrencies, right? Right now is a good time. Don't take action when it's green. Take action when it's red. So what I like about this Bitbuy.ca, this Canadian exchange, is you can buy, the major cryptos here, right? You can buy Bitcoin, Ripple, Litecoin, EOS, Stellar. I don't really bother with EOS or Stellar personally. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum. So Bitcoin and Ethereum for sure. And you can easily buy it. What I like is the fees are extremely low. And there's also a bonus. So if you recruit anyone, if you guys sign up under my link, which I'm going to put below, you guys get $20 when you make a deposit, okay? So I'll show you guys that referral. Yeah, $20. Your referral gets $20. You send it to as many people as you wish, and both of us get $20. So hey, there's nothing wrong with that. There's a whole referral system here, but you guys got to take action on it, right? So let's say you refer 20 people, you make $400. 200, 4,000. So, and then you can accumulate more assets if you believe in crypto, right? So back to, that I'm an affiliate marketer, guys. I'm going to show you how to make money with this stuff too, passively, on top of the trading and holding, right? What I also like about Bitbuy is the fact that you can do the pro trading mode, okay? So I'll show you that. So obviously, it's a shitty day. It's a really shitty day. Like, I'm gonna move myself over here. Right? It's a crappy day. Yeah, sorry, I keep moving myself. If you guys are looking to do videos like this, I'm actually using this app called Loom. So it's very easy to move myself around during a video, which I like that, right? I'm gonna upgrade to the pro version soon as I build my channel. So let's look at the last 30 minutes. Boom, Bitcoin. Let's zoom right in here. 30 minutes allows you to get closer to the charts here. So there's the day there. So you're seeing Canadian dollars here, 14,000. Boom, took a dip down as low as 14 instead of 1484. Boom, and now we're looking at 13,000 something, right? Yeah, 13,000. So here you can see the what people are buying for and what people are selling for. Okay, so the ask price is always going to be higher than the bid price. So people always want to save a little bit of money when they bid for something. So when you're buying this exchange and just use the express trade, you're getting charged a little bit of a larger commission fee to just quickly trade. But what you want to do is really get into the pro, so that you can narrow down, what people are buying and selling for, right? So you can actually say, hey, I want to buy at this price. This much of my possible funds, and I can basically it's called setting a limit, right? So I want to buy at, for example, I wanted to buy at, I'm going to call that it's going to go down to 13,000, right? So 13,000, I want to, if I had 13,000, it'd be 100% of my money, or 50% of whatever, right? And then it'll automatically calculate for you how much you can buy, and then you hit buy. And then, it's there so that if you're asleep and you need to buy something at a discounted price, in case you can't look at the charts in your sleep, in your dreams, obviously, then it's automatically never going to make that buy for you, right? When it drops to that amount. Same thing goes for a sell. So you can set an unrealistic target. If you're looking to hold, but you can set an unrealistic target for your sell price of, let's say, I'm going to call that it goes to 15,000. I want to sell all of it at 100%. And then you set it, sell, and then in your sleep, if it does happen, because the game can change quickly, then you automatically get that sell order in. So, this is why I like this pro trading option. For Canadian exchanges is really nice. I use other exchanges as well, which I'll include the link below for Americans and anyone that's global, that's outside of Canada. But for Canada, Bitbuy.ca, I like it. I like the pro view. I like the referral program. I just like everything about it, okay? I am using other platforms. Crypto.com. I'm in Qcoin. I'm in Coinbase. Coinberry as well. I'm in these different things because you want to feel out what's out there, right? But I like that you can really zoom into these charts and see what's happening here from 30-minute view to 15-minute view. And really look at the action, right? 2 hours. Like, you can really zoom in there and take a look. So, and as you look at this stuff, guys, you don't even need to invest right away. Just kind of have a better understanding of what is happening on the charts, right? And then you can start looking at trends, and then you make your investment, right? Some of us win, some of us lose. I don't want to say it's like gambling, but you need to do your research, and you can't really control the market, but you can start understanding trends, okay? But know that when you're gonna buy on the dips when it's in the red, so that you can target up appropriately, and then you can, man, I gotta turn this off. And then you can, time everything appropriately, and then attain success and start profiting in the cryptocurrency space. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but if you guys are looking to get into cryptocurrency, you're in Canada, I do recommend Bitbuy.ca. That's what I like using. There's an app as well for it. And I'll also include some links for you guys and future videos for you guys for other exchanges that will work with every country as well. Crypto.com, Qcoin, Coinbase, everything else. So appreciate you guys checking this quick video. If if you guys are investing in a crypto right now and you're seeing the red, don't get scared. Obviously, you can do whatever you want, but don't get scared when the the scene hits red, because that just shows that you can buy your your assets that you believe in at a discounted price. Okay, and then you take action, and maybe you can buy a little bit more, right? But if you believe in something, then believe in it long term, and then it's definitely going to come back, in my opinion, especially ETH and especially Bitcoin. Okay, so this is David Wynn. I appreciate you guys, and yeah, I'm looking to upload some more content regarding cryptocurrency, but also some projects I'm working on in the affiliate marketing space as well. So as always, I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. This is David Wynn, August University. Make sure you hit like on the video. Comment below if you want to see more cryptocurrency videos. Comment below how you're feeling with the sea of red today. And also hit the subscribe button if you didn't already, because it really helps out my business, my channel. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys, and see you in the next video.